Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello friends, we're happy you're here with us today.
If you're learning English, this is the perfect place to practice listening and speaking.
Yes, on this channel we practice easy English conversations about everyday life.
And today's topic is something very simple but very important.
Today we will talk about things you like to do.
This is one of the most common topics in English conversations.
When you meet someone new, they often ask questions like, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing?
Knowing how to answer these questions helps you have natural conversations in English.
In today's lesson, we will learn useful sentences, practice conversations, learn vocabulary about hobbies, and practice speaking.
And we will ask you questions too.
So you can practice thinking in English.
All right, let's begin. Jack, let me ask you a question.
Sure.
What do you like to do in your free time?
That's a good question. In my free time, I like to read books and go for walks.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, reading helps me learn new ideas.
I also enjoy reading sometimes, but one of my favorite hobbies is watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh. There are many hobbies people enjoy.
Yes, let's talk about some common ones.
What kind of books do you enjoy?
I enjoy mystery novels.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I usually watch a movie on weekends.
Music is very popular.
Yes, music helps people relax.
Many people like sports.
Football, basketball, and tennis are very popular.
Think about this question. What is your favorite hobby? Take a moment to think. Let's talk about weekends.
Weekends are usually the time when people relax.
Jack, what do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go to the park and meet friends.
That sounds nice. I usually stay at home and watch movies or cook something new. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually play football with my friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it's a great way to exercise.
Some hobbies are indoor activities.
Indoor means inside your home.
I really enjoy cooking.
What do you like to cook? Now let's talk about outdoor hobbies.
Outdoor activities happen outside. Jack, do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I like walking in nature.
Nature is very relaxing. Sometimes people want to try new hobbies.
Trying new activities can be exciting.
For example, someone might start learning painting, photography, gardening, dancing. I want to try a new hobby.
What kind of hobby?
Maybe photography.
That sounds interesting.
When talking about hobbies, people often ask why you like something.
Yes, explaining your reasons makes conversations more interesting.
Repeat after us. I enjoy watching movies because they are entertaining. I like walking in the park because it is peaceful. I enjoy cooking because it is creative. Now let's learn how to ask about hobbies.
These questions are very common.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
That sounds relaxing. People often talk about hobbies from childhood.
Yes, many hobbies start when we are young.
What did you like to do when you were a child?
I loved playing football with my friends.
That sounds fun. Hobbies can also help people learn new skills.
Yes, for example, cooking teaches creativity, reading increases knowledge, sports improve health, music improves focus.
Hobbies are not only fun.
They are also good for personal growth.
Now it's your turn to think. Answer these questions in your mind. Let's practice speaking together.
Take a moment to think about your answers.
I enjoy reading books in my free time. My favorite hobby is listening to music. I like spending time outdoors. I want to learn photography. Jack, if you had more free time, what hobby would you start?
That's a great question. I think I would learn photography.
Why photography?
Because I enjoy capturing beautiful moments.
That sounds creative. If I had more time, I would learn to play the guitar. Yes, I love music.
Really? Let's review what we learned today.
Talking about hobbies is a great way to start conversations in English.
It helps you connect with people and learn about their interests.
And the more you talk about your interests, the more confident you become.
Remember, practice makes progress. Before we finish, we want to hear from you.
Answer these questions in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend learning English.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving. Bye, everyone.